Welcome to the future of technology with Academix. At Academix, we're diving into the forefront of future technology. Here's a glimpse of what's shaping our world: artificial intelligence and machine learning, transforming healthcare, finance, and more with AI-driven insights and automation. Robotics and automation, from surgery to manufacturing, robots are revolutionizing precision and efficiency. Quantum computing, solving complex problems at unprecedented speeds, paving the way for breakthroughs in cryptography and beyond. Biotechnology and genetic engineering, CRISPR and gene editing are redefining medicine and agriculture. Renewable energy and sustainability, innovations in solar, wind, and nuclear fusion are crucial for a sustainable future. Empowering the innovators of tomorrow. Join us at Academix and unlock your potential. Together, we'll build a smarter, brighter future.